YouTube, we are back, and we're back at a car show. We're back at Gravity Car Show, NEC Birmingham. Just got here to see what's around. G80 and E46 is gone, so there's been no videos, there's been no content to do. However, we are picking up another car. A new car is on the way, placed a deposit that you'll see in the next video. We'll do a collection video on that. I need to film that, but that will be out after this video. So there's going to be 2 uploads in 1 week, which is crazy. But heading into the Gravity Car Show, there's some sick cars in the car park. Repping the Supply Drive tops. Luke's got one on here. Fund your dreams. Hopefully it's a good show. Never been before, but I've heard it's good. So let's see how it goes down.
Well, anytime we need a driver, or anytime we need anything, this man is the first one we call. He's always ready to pick up the ball, always ready to show up, always ready to have a good time. Gravity, make the noise.
It smells like tyres already. I don't know how to say this, but this event just looks like it's full of people who eat Chinese for breakfast and drink Monster first thing they do when they wake up. Welcome to Gravity. Let's see what it's got in store. That merch fire though. That merch fire though. God damn.
Extravulance.
You can only understand what could be understood. Understand me. Understand me. Real shit. Ay, you know I got the remedy. That's why it goes out here tryna put a head on me. Can't trust these toes, walls they can throw it back. Watch them fuck your bros every time you turn out back. Rewind, rewind. I don't know what watch time pass by. Just bought an Audi, bout to crash mine. Swear I died like this in a past life. You can call me James Dean, cause you know I'm that fly. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. Wish I could tell them I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. I wish I could see I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. Wish I could tell them I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah. I can't tell my homies from my enemies. Everybody wanna be a friend of me, yeah. I wish I could see I don't have the energy. I swear, it's like for me to death for me, yeah.
Doing too much speaking because I don't want to get copyrighted, but whoever's collection this is, hats off to you.
No way.
been the cars at Gravity inside in the show. Little montage, there was music playing. Yeah, just thought I'd get some B-roll. But we're outside now in a car park, so thought we'd take a quick walk around, see what's about. So we've got convertible M4 with the kit. I'm not liking the red, but it is nice. Similar to my G80 colour. We've got a 650S, I believe. White wheels, pretty cool. Lovely F90 M5. This colour is really, really nice. Nice wheels, sits really well. Cars over here, I'm not a fan, but yeah, they'll do. I think that's a 35, maybe, facelift. 45 there. And here. Subi. M lights. Some more M lights. Got the drifting going on in the background as well. A Bath C63 wagon, clean M2, clean. I miss mine. This is for sale actually. 37k, another Bath, another Cayenne. Not sure on that, but whoever floats your boat. GTR. I think this is a don't test me here. R33. The race. F82 with either a bad wrap or a bad paint job, but it's sick. I bet it drives bang on. There you go. Got an M2 comp over there, it's pretty clean. Audi S3 R8, very clean R8. Another Subi F80 M3 on Nankan for AP Racings. Yeah, the crowd's pretty big. Old school RS5. I like these, but slow as anything. Then this clean Hockenheim silver M2 comp with the M Performance kit. Looks like it's sitting on maybe Airbags. But yeah, love Hockenheim silver. Nice F80 in red with red seats. M Performance exhaust, CS wheels, and Haskett springs. So yeah, quite a show of cars on display.
Extravulance.
You can only understand what could be understood. Understand.
Just grabbed a super sick tee from this place behind me called Drivers Club. So damn, yeah, super sick tee. I'll show you when I get back. Nice. I see it. I've never heard of the brand, but I saw the aesthetic. Had to get it. So yeah, Gravity. It was good. It was much better than expected. Like much better than expected. As you guys see from the videos, cars were good. I just wanted to show you this cop. Drivers Club. Never heard of it before. Got this t-shirt that I'll show you now. It was an insane fit. I felt it on the clothing rail and I was like, nah, that quality is crazy. So it's got this 331 on the front, Pursuit. Then on the back, cool graphics, Drivers Club. So yeah, there was a bit of a sale on there. I've never heard of the product, but I bought this purely for the quality and I think the graphics quite cool. With some grey joggers or something. I think this will look really nice. So I'm gonna end the video there. Thanks for watching. The new car collection will be in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Shout out Gravity. Show was amazing. I definitely recommend you all to go next year. I see it last minute. Didn't even know about it. I see it shouted out from a few people that I follow. Thought I'd attend. Was expecting, as I said, something different. But yeah, it exceeded all my expectations. Saw some great inspo. Made some new connections to work with Supply Drive there. So very successful trip. Thanks all for watching.